Hey friends, greeting from Test and Review. Today I got something truly exciting for all the multitaskers and the tech enthusiasts out there. iVANKY has sent me this brand new FusionDock Pro 1 Plus docking station to review, and trust me, it's a game changer for anyone looking to level up their workspace setup. From seamlessly connectivity to powerhouse performance, this docking station is packed with features to keep you productive. So let's dive into the unboxing, explore its functionalities, and see how it can transform your workflow. So here, if I open this one, so here is like normal menu, the initial setup, the manual book. Today we will explore all its features, so let's check it open and see what makes this device stand out. First up, the box design is sleek and minimalistic with some key features highlighted. The outside, specifically to the front, it's specifically made for the Mac user, which is awesome if you are in the Apple ecosystem. But don't worry, it's fully compatible with other devices too. One of the standout feature is now 100-watt power delivery, meaning you can charge your laptop through just a single cable. It also supports up to 4K display, is running at 60 Hz and offers additional 20 watt of power delivery for other devices. This definitely not your average docking stations. On the side, you will see the profile view of the dock, and the back has helpful diagram showing all the available ports and features. Inside, you will find the power supply and high quality USB-C cables. It's nice that iVANKY include the high-speed cables, because not all cables are created equal. Some are slow, but they are optimized for fast and data transfer, so you won't have to worry about that. And here is the docking itself, nearly wrapped up. First impression is enthusiastic, right? In the side you can see here the USB port, USB-A and USB-C. Here is for internet cable. There is another USB and 10 Gbps. And the very interesting thing here, you can see this 3 HDMI port. Normally I have found that most of the docking station, they have only 2 HDMI port, but iVANKY they created 3 slots for HDMI, and all are 4K. So here they mentioned already, you can see all are in 4K. On the underside, there are rubber feet designed to prevent this dock from sliding around on your desk. Just a small but thoughtful in detail, so it's solidly built and feels durable. Now let's dive into the port. On the side, you have got the essential computer port. This is where the dock connects to your laptop or device. Looking at the front, there's a power button that's really satisfying to press, nice and clicky. You will also find headphone and microphone jack, which is a great feature since it lets you plug in both audio and mic devices. Additionally, there are micro SD and SD card slot. So perfect for photographers, videographers, or anyone who works with the memory card. So for the data transfer, there are two USB 3 ports. Yeah, there's two USB 3 ports, each offering 10 Gbps speed. If you are handling external drivers or large data files, these ports are fast enough to keep your workflow smooth and efficient. There's also a USB-C 10 Gbps port, so you can charge your device while using them. So flipping this dock over, you will find the power input, the power input, which is how the dock gets this energy. This is crucial because it's not drawing power from your laptop, allowing it to provide that extra 20 watt for charging other devices. And here's something I haven't seen on many other docks in the price range 2.5 GB Ethernet. If you need a fast or reliable wired internet connection, this is a huge plus. This is a huge plus. Additionally, you get two more USB 3.0 10 Gbps port, which brings the total bandwidth to 30 Gbps when you factor in the USB-C port. But the real highlights here is the triple HDMI output. That's right, 3 HDMI port, all capable of running 4K display at the 60 GHz. So this dock can power 3 4K monitor at once, which is pretty impressive, isn't it? So in conclusion, I'm really impressed with this FusionDock Pro 1 Plus. Design and the build quality are fantastic. The port selection is superb, and the overall feel of this device is solid and reliable. Whether you are a content creator or a gamer or just someone who needs tidy functional workspace, this dock station adapter seamlessly to your needs. So if you are looking to upgrade your workspace with FusionDock Pro 1 Plus docking station, you can find the link to purchase in the description below. Plus, I have got an exclusive coupon offer code for my viewers to get a discount. So don't miss out, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out more exciting reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.